Diwali and Christmas, two festivals that are celebrated thousands of miles apart, but yet they both hold the same magic, a magic that fills the air with light, love, and laughter. Two different worlds, two different seasons, but one shared spirit that lights up millions of hearts. To how these two powerful festivals, Christmas and Diwali, not only just change lives but bring up entire but light up entire nation. New to this channel, I'm Apeksha, and this is Roaming Relations, giving you more authentic insights about student life and education life and work life in Europe. So do subscribe and show support. Let's dive into the festival season. Diwali and Christmas, two festivals that are celebrated thousands of miles apart, but yet they both hold the same magic, a magic that fills the air with light, love, and laughter. Diwali, the festival of light, represents hope and the triumph of good over evil. Each year, millions of Indians celebrate Lord Rama's victorious return to his kingdom Ayodhya and fireworks with joy, representing the celebration of good, the celebrations of positivity over negativity, good over evil, representing the win of Lord Rama over Ravan. Time to embrace new beginnings, to pray for prosperity, and remember that no matter how dark life may get, there is always something new to look upon, and there is always light. But in Europe, Christmas is not just a holiday, it's a season. Christmas is all about kindness, generosity, and prosperity and peace. People celebrate the birth of Jesus, who brought light and love into the world. Streets run into winter wonderland, and families gather across the globe, and joy spreads just like snowfall, creating a time when the world feels a little warmer, a little better. But beyond lights and love, there is another incredible impact these festivals have. This, I'm talking about the economic surge that powers entire industries. But let's talk numbers. In India, Diwali season means economic boost of almost 15 billion US dollars. You heard that, billion US dollars. Families shop for new clothes, jewelry, and a lot of gold because gold represents good luck and prosperity. And the sweet industry alone grows by 40% during Diwali as families exchange treats, sweets, and blessings. Let's not forget about firecrackers and diyas. Diwali lights up skies and the economy. And let's not forget the firecrackers and the diyas. Diwali lights up the skies and the economy. The demand for fireworks, lights, decorations, oil, and more of these industries not just fuels up local business and creates it fuels up local business by creating thousands of jobs and adding a touch of magic to the festival. This festival isn't just celebration, it's a lifeline for thousands of small businesses across India. This in Europe bring its own economic miracle. During the holiday season, Europeans spent over $120 billion on gifts, food, travels, and decorations. The Christmas market alone the Christmas market alone brings millions of tourists, supporting local artisans, shopkeepers, and restaurants. Each market, from Germany to France to Italy, creates a world of wonder where families buy handcrafted gifts, goes up with warm drinks, and embrace the season warmly. Christmas markets are an economy in itself because from mulled red wine and gingerbread to handmade ornaments, these market brings thousands of visitors and bring millions of dollars into smaller European towns and villages, supporting local businesses and cherished art form alive. Beyond the money, Diwali and Christmas are about something priceless and something which is very memorable. the time with families. These festivals give families a reason to come together, to pause, and to celebrate what truly matters, our family. For many in India, Diwali starts days before actual festivals because Diwali is actually a 5-day festival. So the people who are outside their homes take a week-long holiday break to go and visit back to their families, back to their towns, and decorate their homes, welcoming good fortune and prosperity. The cleanliness and the cleaning homes is a old tradition, and it starts months before Diwali. It starts at least a month before Diwali. Get beautiful rangoli designs in our doorsteps, light diyas that ward off darkness, and cook traditional sweets and give it to our family and friends. Diwali is a time to share, remember our roots, and to build memories that stay with us forever. And in Europe, Christmas brings its own family special traditions. According to Christians, Christmas tree is a very cherished moment, and each ornament tells a story, and every light shines with love. Families bake cookies and cakes together, wrapping their house in the warm scent of gingerbread and cinnamon. Christmas Eve is filled with songs, laughter, and the pure joy of being together. This is where the communities come together, even when they are outside their countries. The joy of giving takes a center stage in Europe. For children, is a magical moment because they open gifts and they are very happy, where parents cherish each smile and each laugh of their younger ones. These traditions are the heartbreak of a holiday because Christmas extends till New Year, and which often calls for a vacation time with family and friends because it binds generations and creating a tapestry of love. And there's a holiday bonus for you. Literally, the holiday season brings the much needed time off and finally an extra reward from work. Both in India and Christmas, companies give bonus during this time. It's common for companies to give employees a Diwali bonus and celebrate in style, and even the local maids and even businesses, they all give the extra bonus during Diwali time. Similarly, in Europe, many companies offer family bonuses or a 13th salary or employees to travel home and give them bonus or gifts. Bosses treat the employees with some gifts or alcohol or a celebration, and families unite and kids are home from school and the season takes a slower and warm pace, and it's a beautiful time. But the most important and beautiful part of Diwali and Christmas is the spirit of giving and gratitude that fills the air. These festivals are not just about receiving but about sharing our blessings with others. During Diwali, it's common for families to donate food, clothes, and monies to those in need. People share sweets with their neighbors and visit friends and family and bring joy to those who might be struggling. Christmas too is a season of generosity. Families donate gifts to charities, volunteer at shelters, and give to those who are less fortunate. People open their hearts back and embody a true spirit of season of love, compassion. Diwali and Christmas might be celebrated worlds apart, but they are connected with the same shared spirit, both a celebration of life. On one side, where Diwali brings the glow of diyas, sparkle of fireworks, and the beauty of rangoli art, with each ritual celebrating life and light. Families pray to Mother. Christmas in Europe brings families together in warmth as they sing carols, again experience artwork. Christmas markets are beautiful and they have been around the city, and the decorations in Italian villages I've seen, and in Vienna they start days before the Christmas. So it's like actually a month long Christmas market and a month long vacation. At the end of the day, whether you are lighting diyas or stringing up Christmas lights, Diwali and Christmas remind us of what truly matters. They teach us that joy comes from within, joy comes from family, from giving, and from the simple magic of being together. So, what is your favorite part about Diwali and Christmas? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more informative and interesting videos. May your holiday season with sweets and celebrations. Thank you so much for watching. Me, Apeksha, signing off. Bye bye. Ciao, ciao.